Okay, this is the second part of our assembly before we go to the materials. So I'm just going to do an assembly of the insert on the handle, and then we'll do a bit about how to put welds. In this case for Fusion, we'll just put some fillets. And then we'll do another exercise of changing material. So for this one, we insert the handle insert, which comes like that. Then we can push it a bit away, and then J for joint. Then we insert the middle of that top curve with the middle of this assembly. It seems to be behind, so all we need to do is flip it here, flip component, and that's the right way. Then it's not in the right orientation, so if I put 90 degrees here, it turns in the right orientation. And if you look at it, it's a bit to the lower side, so it needs to be in the Y up. Negative 7.5, which I've already calculated. So it's up to you to do the calculation yourself. If you look at it now, it's exactly in the middle. Now we're going to get the handle and put it inside that insert. I'll first go to the handle insert and hide all the sketches, but I don't need that messy stuff on the screen. So if I do insert, inside the handle, so the handle is there. Let's drag it out a bit. Click OK. Then now I'm going to insert it here. So I'm going to use the same geometry of that curve up there and the equivalent one on this side, or actually I could use the center. So if we get the center of this piece, if I press J, simple joint, and that is the exact center of the handle. Then I turn this around and look for the center of the back of that insert. Yeah, we should be around there. So you can see that the handle has gone in properly, but probably not in the right way because of this 90 degrees. So if I put 0, we should be able to align properly. And I press OK on the small house, and the assembly is all done. And now that we're left with is adding some fillets on the edges. So if you need to zoom in, you can check and see that's all attaching properly. So let's wait for the next video to do the finishing up. Thank you.